Hi.
G'day guys, how's it going?
So another week.
Another week.
Nearly a week, trying to make it a week.
Yeah, it's been a week. And it's been an easy week for me. I've just been at work. But before I went to work, a few days, we had a couple of days over at the island at, what's South Stradbroke Island?
Yep.
And we had one stormy night where it was pretty wild, but we got out of it. What else we do? We just cruised around, really.
Yeah, we cruised around. You did some work on the wiring under the... You tried to get some wiring organised from the... Is it the nav station? What's the thing called up top?
Flybridge.
Yeah, the flybridge.
Yeah. It's the wiring on this thing. I've nearly got it sorted, but yeah, I've taken out lots of defunct stuff and taken out a lot of joins. So less joins the better.
Yeah.
But we're at what's the name of this marina?
Horizon
Shores Marina at the moment. We've been here about 8 days. Well, Wendy's been here 8 days. I've only been here. Just got back from work last night. So we're off now to head out, and we might just go out a little bit and find somewhere to dry out.
Yeah, so we can look at the bottom of the boat.
Yeah, but that's next week. You'll see that next week. This week, yeah, it's been a busy week fixing stuff and getting everything. Well, doing exactly what we wanted to do, was to do a bit of a shakedown and find the chinks in her armour. Not many chinks.
No.
No.
Surprisingly good.
Yeah. Engines run well. The anchor winch runs well. All the pumps and systems run well. Just trying to get all the electrics working perfectly. So before we start the massive jobs. But yeah, she's all good. So that's about all I've got to say. What about you?
That's it.
That's it. All
right.
Okay,
enjoy.
Enjoy. And as per usual, don't forget to subscribe, because we're aiming for the big 25,000.
And ring the bell. I think you're supposed to say ring the bell.
I don't know what the bell is, but...
anyway, please subscribe.
Yes. And to the patrons out there, thanks guys. Thank you so much. Less I have to work, and the more we can cruise.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys. Have a great week. Ciao.
Bye.
Now, that was a long night. It's sun's just come up, and high tide was about half an hour ago, and we spent the night on the beach. Well, one hull up on the beach, the other hull down the water. We were on a bit of an angle, and the wind just came up and howled from the wrong direction. Not as predicted at all. All my mistake. I shouldn't have parked that close. I was expecting the wind to swing around to the southeast, but it swung around to the west, and the boat in front of us, he dragged, and he was inches off going up on the beach. So yeah, it was a long night. So we're just leaving this morning, dead calm, no wind, no sea state, and a little bit sunny, not about 50-50. Heading around the corner here past Duck's Anchorage up to an anchorage called Millionaires Row. I don't know why they call it Millionaires Row, but we might find out when we get there. So it's about half an hour away. We'll get up there, drop the pick, have some breakfast, and then I'm going to have a bit of a sleep. So catch you later.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain.
So last night we spent our time down here at Fiddler's, and we've just come up through the channel up here. There's Fiddler's Island on our right, and we're going to continue up here around the corner, and that's Millionaires Row here. We'll anchor up in between these two, I reckon, and then tomorrow we'll make our way back down this way out into that part of the world.
Tell me tell everybody what you just told me about the housekeepings on this boat.
Well, I thought sailing boat Nutshell had a lot of wiring issues, but man, the joins in this, there's just joins upon joins upon joins upon joins, and I'm just trying to find the power wiring for the deck lights up at the flybridge, and I finally tracked it down. The white wire is negative and the brown wire is positive. Oh, it's just, I wonder about some people. But anyway, I'm getting there. So yeah, no, that's not it. That's the brown wire there. That's the positive. And this is the wiring I'm dealing with. And I've got to tidy up, but I'm getting there. And then over here, this wire here is actually white. Hang on. That's white. If you take the brown cover off. And that runs up to our negative bus bar. Yeah, this is what it looks like under here. I'll give you a 360. Oops, sorry. I'll give you a 360 view of what I'll have to contend with under here. Fun and games. Look at that spaghetti factory. Hang on. Here we go. Watch this space. That'll all be tidied up. I've cut out so much wiring. Yeah. Spaghetti factory. Rat's nest, spider web, whatever you want to call it. Not fun. Nothing's labelled. Nothing's to code. Yeah, crazy, man. But fun. Gives me something to do.
Very busy anchorage. What's it called? Jacob's
Weld. Hope he is.
We're just leaving Jacob's Well. Spent the night there. It's very calm, very nice. And we are going around the corner to the Horizon Shores Marina, which we've booked into for a week or so. And we'll spend a bit of time there doing some boat jobs because we've done our little shakedown cruise and we know what we've got to buy and what we've got to do now. And then we'll see where we go from there. We'll make decisions. See ya. Looks like weather's coming.
Mm-hmm.
But the water's calm.
Calm before the storm.
It's the entrance to the marina. No answer on the phone.
No message can be left on this service.
Because it's full. So that's where we're going. We'll manage to get booked in here. They've made a spot for us on the fuel jetty because everywhere in the Gold Coast is fully booked. Chockers. So that's good. So what's happening now?
Well, we've got the hat on. Means we're going on an adventure. We've got to go pick up the car. We've got our car down here, and it's currently parked at Hope Island, just on the side of the road. And it's about a 10-mile trip in the tinny through all the swamps and back alleys. So we've got to go and get it and drive it back here, and then I'll take the tinny back. So got a 20-mile trip on the tinny.
I think I might beat you back home actually.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, I've got to go to the supermarket and pick up some provisions.
You'll still beat me home.
I might, yeah.
Because it's a lot of the way 6 knots only.
Yeah.
So
we'll see. I think it's 25 k's going around the houses for me.
yeah.
Alright. Okay, so we're just getting ready to leave the boat. Be the longest trip that Peanut has ever been on. This Peanut, anyway. I think the longest one the other Peanut did was when we were in, where were we with the green kayak?
That's 14 kilometres.
Kilometres.
Nautical miles, and this is 3 times that length.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well that seemed like a long way. Alright,
Yeah.
better fuel her up then. Taking a shortcut. We're just trying to get through because it's quite low tide at the moment. It's a matter of finding the deep water. Ha! Oh, that's not it. Whoopsies.
That's not the deep water.
No, that's the bottom.
Nearly lost me all.
This reminds me of Popham Creek. Trying to get over the coral bit.
Yeah.
It's really shallow there. It's quite a labyrinth through here, so that's one way, but we're not going that way, we're going this way.
All of a sudden it's 5 metres deep.
Yeah, so it goes from sandbank, sandbank, sandbank. Wow, how pretty. It's so pretty, look at this.
It's beautiful.
Oh, and no jet skis.
Little crabs here.
It's just lovely. All mangroves are different, aren't they?
They're muddy.
Muddies? Mud crabs?
Grab that mud crab's claw and pull it out of the mud.
Wow! There's so many and they're sticking out. Look at the orange claws. There are hundreds. Can you see them all? All the orange claws sticking up? I've never seen anything like that in my life.
I've never seen that many.
That's beautiful. Look at them. Oh. Oh, hang on. They're like itchy tiny with a giant claw.
Yeah, they're mud crabs.
They're like black with one orange claw.
Yeah,
I had no idea they looked like that.
baby mud crabs.
Wow.
Yeah, thousands.
That's stunning. It's got to be a nursery. Well, where are the mothers and the fathers?
They're in the deep.
Magnus is just trying to find a way over the last little mud bit to get out into the river in the creek. I think we're through.
Oh no, we're about halfway through this bit.
Oh, okay. Fingers crossed. We're on low tide. Plenty of tide to come. This is Horizon Shores Marina, and this is where I will be staying for the next week or so while Magnus goes back to work to earn the moolah so we can do all this. We've got quite a lot of expenses on this new boat, so we're just going to have to knuckle down for a while, and then hopefully we'll be able to not do the going to work hamster wheel thing. So this is the administration and fuel sales building, and over there is a little cafe. They've got gas and ice. It's supposed to be a laundry, so I'm going to go and try and find that. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty quiet. Just dug through all my places where I might have coins to get coins for the washing machine, and it's all done by card. Got 2 more days here in the marina, and Magnus gets back, and then it's going to be crazy. It's just so much to do. We're going to head off, spend the night on anchor, and then we're going to find a spot to dry out so we can actually have a look at the bottom of this boat. We just don't know what the bottom looks like, so and I don't mean as far as barnacles or things, the actual physical shape of this boat we don't know, so that'll be interesting to see what she looks like. Anyway, in the meantime, here's a beautiful morning and lovely birds.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come